Python. A function is a block of code that performs a specific task. And functions help us with varied important programming constructs like code reusability. We don't have to write the same code again and again. It improves readability. By using functions for frequent tasks, you make your code structured and readable. It becomes easier for anyone to look at the code and be able to understand the flow and purpose of the code. It also helps us to avoid redundancy. And as I mentioned, code reusability, when we don't write same code again and again, we avoid redundant code. These three properties will make more sense when you read about compiler design, but let's not go in that now. So below is the syntax of functions in Python. We start with function definition using Python keyword def, then function name, arguments that function takes, and then colon. In the next few lines, we write function body, and finally we return from the function using Python keyword return. Simple. As an example, I have defined a function myfunc_add that takes two arguments, number 1 and number 2. As a body, I am adding these two numbers and saving the result in a variable number 3, which is not accessible outside function myfunc_add. Finally, we return from the function with the value of number 3. To call the function, we call myfunc_add with two arguments 10 and 20, and then we get the result as 30. Before we move on function, let's discuss about the types of functions in Python. There are two types of function in Python: built-in function and user-defined functions. Built-in functions are those functions that are pre-defined in Python and we need not declare these functions before calling them. We can freely invoke them as and when needed. User-defined functions, these functions which we create in our code are user-defined functions like myfunc_add. Our next topic is Python method. Before we could understand methods in Python, let's discuss few things about a class in Python. We already know that Python is an object-oriented language, which means that it can deal with classes and objects to model the real world. A Python class is an abstract data type, which forms a blueprint for the objects. A class has all the properties mentioned in the plan and behaves accordingly. A Python object is an instance of a class. It can have its properties and behavior. So let's try to understand Python class with a real world example of a car as shown here. A car is a blueprint that has several properties like engine, tires, battery, fuel, and etc. We can create various objects from this car class like Mercedes, BMW, or Audi that will have blueprints from the base class and have engines, tires, battery, etc. Now let's go to all-purpose garage in an event of an accident. We meet the technician there and say, I want to change tires of my BMW or engines of my Mercedes. So we are associating our properties of a class with the name of the object. To extend further, BMW can have 6 airbags or Audi can have both surround sound system, and this is what inheritance is. A subclass inherits from its parent's class and adds its own information as well. We'll keep inheritance for our next video. Now, what is a Python method? A Python method is like a Python function, but it must be called on an object, and to create it, you must put it inside a class. To repeat, a Python method is a label that you can call on an object. It is a piece of code to execute on that object. As an analogy, car is a class. Engine is a method that serves some functionality that it moves a car. BMW is an object. BMW engine is a method that is called with an object BMW. Yeah. So let's try to understand this with an example. Here we have a class, my class, that is having a variable num that has been assigned value 100. Then we have a method hello that prints let's upgrade on screen. To call this method, we first define an object of the class, that is obj here, an example, and then we access the variable with obj.num to get the result 100, or access the method hello as obj.hello. I hope this helps. Thanks and happy scripting.